Okay, so we're gonna first start with the eyeshadow, just doing a little bit of like a Sunday fun day glam, soft glam kind of look. I am kind of channeling my inner like Desi Perkins and stuff. I've just been watching quite a few of her videos lately, and I don't know, she's just so pretty and stuff, so I just kind of wanted to channel her. So let's see how this looks. I'm kind of just gonna go for it. I'm not really following anything. Some of her looks are still my inspiration, but it's just because of past videos that I've been watching. I'm not really using a specific video or anything like that, but we are gonna go ahead and get on into it. So if you guys want to continue with this look, be sure to keep watching, and then at the end, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I appreciate all of your support. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I am going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette today. We are going to be going in with some like rusty coppery shades. So I'm going to go in with, let's see, probably Hunts in the outer and inner corner. We're going to do kind of more of like a halo look, and a little bit of Roxanne. I think I'm going to use those two colors. And then in the center, I will be using this MAC pigment, and this is in Rose. So we'll see how that goes. feel good about myself. And honestly, Kylie, I love her products now. I really do. My face looks so smooth and like just perfect. Yay! Okay, anyways, if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then also follow me on Instagram down below. I will link that. So thank you again so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see next. Let me also know what you guys like to do for Sunday Fun Day, because I love going out on Sundays. I do. Like, you know, brunch. Brunch is my go-to with my girls. Yeah. Anyways, thank you all again, and I will see you next time. Bye.